In India, travel often reveals more than landscapes. It opens doors to living traditions. Five Senses Tours was created with this belief, turning journeys into encounters with heritage, craft, and community. In Karnataka, their temple walks unfold through ancient corridors, where stories are narrated by local custodians who carry them in memory, not in guidebooks. In Puducherry, artisans open their studios to share centuries old crafts, while women and marginalized groups find livelihoods as guides and performers. Every itinerary blends culture with conversation, ensuring that traditions are not just observed but sustained.
Our vision is to solidify our position as a leader in purposeful and sustainable tourism across India. We want our community centric travel model to become a mainstream choice for conscious travelers, not just a niche. Collectively, as an industry, we can get back India's rightful place as the premier tourist destination.
For Five Senses, tourism is not sightseeing. It is a way to preserve heritage, empower communities, and give voice to India's many stories.